Struggling with joint pain and stiffness? Discover the secret duo that can help repair your joints and bring relief. At first, let us talk about glucosamine. Role. It's a natural compound found in cartilage that helps maintain and repair it. Mechanism. It stimulates the production of essential components like glycosaminoglycans and proteoglycans, slowing down cartilage degradation. Next comes chondroitin. Role. Another key component of cartilage, it helps retain water for elasticity and shock absorption. Mechanism. It inhibits enzymes that break down cartilage and provides building blocks for new cartilage. Synergistic effects. Enhanced cartilage protection. Together, they protect and potentially rebuild cartilage, reducing pain and inflammation. This combo is more effective than either alone in reducing pain and inflammation. Improved joint function. They can improve joint function and reduce symptoms of osteoarthritis. Want to dive deeper into how these supplements can help you? Hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with anyone who needs joint pain relief.